Hey there, everyone. Greg here with the Entrepreneur Dad. Hey, listen, today is going to be a bonus film with a new report that just became available through LeadsLeap. So just wanted to take an opportunity to share this with you. Doesn't even require an opt-in feature. So whether you're just looking to gather up some extra information or you're looking to have a new lead magnet that you can put out there in order to generate some more interest, just wanted to share this with you. So it's this new giveaway called Insider Advertising Report. Click on it and give you a quick preview, but it is essentially this advertising online with success. You can see the table of contents. Not all ads are equal, where to advertise, what to advertise, how to create content, looking at how do you advertise different types of products such as affiliate or MLM, possibly even using a blog, how to be creative in your next ad. So this is all free. There's even some case studies that are included here. So what I'll do is I'll just drop the link down below. Like I said, no opt-in is needed. This is a free report, but just wanted to share it with everybody out there that's been following the channel. If you would, please remember to like and subscribe, and I will have some more LeadsLeap training coming up along with a few other exciting opportunities. All right, take care.